Hello, everybody. And this afternoon, I will be talking mostly about my dream job regarding music therapy and where I would love to end up if it is identical to this dream job or something similar, or if not, I'm just happy to be sharing my musical talents, using them to help individuals in need. So, my population, I would love to work with the elderly. If it's in hospice care, palliative care, that's where I'm aiming to go right now. So I would say preferably individuals that are 70 and older, 70 to end of life, for the age. And I don't want to say love to, but I wish that there'd be a variety of clients ranging from dementia and Alzheimer's to some that are just there because it's the end of their lives and they're just looking for some end of life care. Regarding facility, I'd like to quote it as a nice facility, which it seems like each facility for music therapy has their good perks and their bad perks. I could go in depth and say I wish it has heating and air conditioning, but that's not really most important, unless it is for the needs of the clients, but that's another story. Um, right now, I am aiming for my internship to be at Seasons Hospice, um, and I applied. You can apply up to 3 sites for their internships, and one of them I applied to in the Phoenix location in Arizona, and that would probably be my dream destination to do my job and or internship. But just right now, it's very unlikely in a financial standpoint and cars and whatnot. So preferably a location in warm weather, but I don't think that's going to happen right now. Um, if we look at probable funding sources, can talk to fellow colleagues, maybe even fellow students. I mean, not relying on them or anything, but just maybe keep them in mind. Maybe think of the universities, old clinical internship sites where we've done our clinicals. If there's anybody we've been at conferences or any family members, just not complete reliance, but just still keeping them in mind. And yeah, just to know that they care. Interdisciplinary collaboration. Sorry. Basically, the big thing with this is just a healthcare team that I know I can trust and can help benefit the need for the clients and reliable, and I know they're not messing around all the time or constantly arguing with the music therapists or the occupational therapists, because I saw that in recent years at clinicals where they thought they know more about the patients regarding music, and I know that's definitely not true at some points. So yeah, just a healthcare team that I know I can trust and potentially work with and just be not friends with, but appropriately share the workplace with. That's what I'm looking for. Um, additional training. I'm constantly open to learning more and more each and every day. If what I think is going to happen is I'm going to get out there and get a job, and I'm like, oh, I want to learn more about this and take a course on this and that. And that's where I think I would be for my dream job. I don't really have anything in specifics right now, but I think as I continue to develop as a future music therapist, that will come about. For development and growth, uh, I'd love to have be an internship site where I'm sorry, have a job where there are multiple locations across the country, or expand upon that. Very similar to Seasons, where if you go on their website, they are probably located in 20 plus different states. And I'd love to be at a job where it's just like that, where it's recognized, like, oh, you're in the Wisconsin location, or you're in the Ohio location, or so and so's in the New Hampshire location. And I just think that's very cool, like almost like a restaurant chain. It's weird to think of it as a music therapy chain, but I definitely think that would help a lot of people across the country and maybe even internationally. I'd love to even expand internationally. I'm sure there's a lot of paperwork that have to be done before that would have to happen, but we will see. So yeah, that as of right now is my dream job. I'm not very fancy and very detaily, so yeah, maybe all right. All right, everybody have a good Sunday. See you soon.